Let's do it. I want you to get excited about your life.
Here we go, in 10.
Stand by, camera 6.
If it's happening now, we're going to deal with it now.
Stand by, Dr. Phil.
This is going to be a changing day in your life. I'm taking people with real problems and moving them into the doctor.
Today on an all-new Dr. Phil.
A comb jelly from the Ctenophora phylum with severe identity issues.
My son refuses to be a part of the phylum Ctenophora.
I'm part of the Cnidaria phylum. Cnidaria have tentacles that can sting people. I want to be cool like my friends, Mom.
First, a quick look at the video application sent in by the Ctenophora family to be on the show.
What do you want from me today? What is the problem?
Dr. Phil, I am begging you to help my son. We are part of the Ctenophora phylum, specifically a comb jelly. You should pick our family to be on your show because we are a unique species, and I want you to help me convince my son that he belongs with us. Our family currently resides in a marine ecosystem, and we can be found in many parts of the ocean. To move through the water, we utilize our 8 comb-like ciliary plates. We also have a pair of retractable tentacles. Our diet consists of young fish, crabs, and oysters, and we eat them using our coloblast appendages, a type of cilia that possesses sticky cells to capture our prey. Also, according to National Geographic, our phylum has an elegant excretory system.
Dr. Phil, I need you to save me from this psycho woman. She said Ctenophora reproduces at a young age, and she wants me to find a fellow female companion so that I can mate. But I don't want to. I want to reproduce asexually. Why? Because I can. I wish I could be a protozoan, but we stupid Ctenophora, we're neither protozoan nor deuterosome. We live for a few months to a maximum of 3 years, and I want to actually enjoy my life.
First, a quick commercial break from one of our sponsors, spicycombjellies.com.
Are you lonely? Need a little excitement in your life? Join spicycombjellies.com to find a perfect Ctenophora for your jelly adventures. We have hundreds of comb jellies with gorgeous biradial symmetry for your liking. There are plenty more fish in the sea, which is why you can find Ctenophora with tentacles called tentaculata, or Ctenophora without tentacles called nuda, whichever suits your liking. Don't forget to check our Ctenophora with bioluminescence so you can light up the scene just right. And we have Ctenophora with different species being intracellular or extracellular, so you can decide if you want the eggs inside the body chamber or outside the body. Whether you prefer comb jellies deep towards the ocean floor or close to the ocean surface, we're sure you'll find something you'll like. Give us a visit.
Today on an all-new Dr. Phil.
And we're back from the break with a mother worried about her troubled Ctenophora son.
Well, folks, I guess we can all agree. You Ctenophora are definitely a weird phylum. And well, I feel obliged to help y'all out. How long has your group existed?
Well, Dr. Phil, our ancestors have been around for the past 500 million years or so. Unfortunately, Tony here doesn't appreciate our lineage.
I can understand your frustration. As a parent, we want the best for our children. Tony, do you really not appreciate your family lineage?
I do care about a lineage.
Doesn't really seem like it. To reinforce some cultural values and help remind you of your ancestry, our team created a phylogenetic tree that'll help you reconnect with your roots. We had audiences in the show fill out a survey asking them of their unique familial characteristics related to their phylum lineage. Based on information gathered from the audience, your most closely related ancestor is the Cnidaria. We also researched databases and were able to find another phylogenetic tree of those aforementioned phylums, with some additional phylums as well. In this research, we found that your species, Ctenophora's most common ancestor is actually Placozoa. Last but not least, we consulted with a team of researchers to create a phylogenetic tree using 16S rRNA genetic sequences. This tree looks slightly different than previous ones because it is now using RNA sequences for a more accurate representation. This allowed us to gather the most accurate hypotheses of genetic evolution amongst these species. Ctenophora possess unique character traits such as anopores and a mesoderm layer, which are characteristics of Bitillaria, which may contribute towards inaccuracy in the phylogenetic trees.
This was insightful, Dr. Phil. I think I agree that I am a Ctenophora. and I will now fully embrace my identity, my heritage, and my culture as a Ctenophora. Thanks, Doc.
Thanks for watching, folks. Make sure to tune in to next week's episode where we help a Ctenophora overcome her fear of water. Lastly, a special thanks to the biology department at LMU, Dr. C, and JT Corey for making this episode possible.